Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel Botany with YouTube. Today I'm here PhD scholar. I'm going to present a topic phylum Myxomycota. Characteristics of this phylum: they are commonly referred as slime mold. Their common name is Plasmodial slime mold. They live in moist soil habitat. Growth habitat will be multinucleate single cell plasmodium. Mode of nutrition is phagotrophic. Heterotroph because they cannot produce their own food. They are not true fungi because they have not cell wall. Mode of reproduction is sexual reproduction, and there are 500 species are discovered. You can see here the logo of Botany channel. If you are new in our channel, then please try to subscribe our channel firstly. Resembling character with plants and animals. With plants, grow by spores, development of fructification. Animals, vegetative body is plasmodium, somatic body. Life cycle of Myxomycota, you can see here. Feeding plasmodium, they produce spores. Meiosis occur, then spores will be spread with the help of wind, with the help of water, and fallen down on the surface and ability to germinate in the favorable environment. And then a gametophytic body is produced, and this gametophytic body will produce two type of gametes. These two types of gamete combine with each other, fertilize with each other, syngamy occur and zygote formation occur, and then the embryo formed, and embryo have ability to produce the new feeding plasmodium body. Phylogeny of Myxomycota. The division Myxomycota includes organisms like cellular slime mold and the Plasmodia slime mold and net slime mold. This was followed by different scientists for a long time. Some scientists believe that slime mold are fungi, so they called it Myxomycetes, and some believe that slime mold are related to protozoa, then fungi. If algal origin of fungus is accepted, then slime mold are not fungi, but if fungi descended from colorless flagellate, then slime mold can be regarded as fungi. Some scientists believe that parasitic slime mold kept in separate class Plasmodium photomycetes. Both Myxomycetes and Plasmodiophotomycetes apparently have flagellate origin. Olive classified the group under kingdom Protista and divided them into 7 classes. You can see here. Later, a scientist kept these 7 classes under the division Myxomycota of the kingdom Fungi. Classification of division Myxomycota. It will also called Myxomycetes. You can say it Myxomycetes. Order, family, genus. This group is commonly known as slime mold or plasmodial slime mold. They grow in damp places, especially on old wood and other decomposing parts. Characteristic feature of this species is they have vegetative body is free. They feed in yeast cell. Both sexual and asexual reproduction take place in this. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Try to subscribe our channel, share our videos with your other friends, colleagues and other researchers. Life cycle of Maxomycetes. Asexual reproduction. This type of reproduction takes place by fragmentation of Plasmodium or binary fission in Maxome amoeba. Sexual reproduction. Spore germination, Maxoamoeba and sperm cells. The spores of Maxomycetes are normally bulbous-like, globe-like, uninucleate and haploid. Spore surface may be range from almost smooth to reticulate. Only one of two stages where a cell wall is formed. During the period of unfavorable condition, the protoplast of the Maxoamoeba or sperm cell can round up and form protective layer called the microcyst. Spore germination stages you can see here. Zygote and plasmodium formation. When male and female gametes fuse together, syngamy occur, then the zygote formation will occur. Structure changing during unfavorable environment you can see here. Plasmodium to Saccharodium. True slime mold to cellular slime molds. Formation of sporangia. When a plasmodium body will form and it have ability to produce sporangia, and sporangia is a compartment which have spores in it. Hypothallus formation you can see here in diagram. Then each unit give rise to sporangia, elongation, and at the end third one, and the after elongation the sporangia will be formed. In the fourth picture you can see here the four compartment of sporangia. Sporangium variation in Maxomycetes. Read this paragraph carefully. Some species have stripes and some have sessile sporangia. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Like our channel. If you have any question you can ask us in comment section. We will reply as soon as possible. Variations in Capillitium morphology. It is the filamentous structure that usually develop within spores or within the sporangia, a compartment which have spores. Its function is the retention of spores in the sporangia. You can see here the diagrams. Some spores have this type of structure with annular ring, and some have double spirals, elasters. In this class, the main characters or somatic phase commonly consist of amoeboid cell or mesoamoeba. Spore wall contains cellulose. Both sexual and asexual reproduction take place. They lack flagellated cells. So they are called commonly known as cellular or amoeboid slime molds. They aggregate to form pseudoplasmodium which develop from fruit body. You can see here in diagram. In this class, the characters are present. They have thallus-like body, uninucleated spindle shape. They commonly exist in aquatic and sporophytic habitat. Reproduction process in this is cyst formation, zoospore formation. You can see here in diagram. The characteristics of this class is members of this class are obligate parasites of freshwater algae, aquatic fungi and higher plants. Somatic body consists of naked holocarpic plasmodium. This group, commonly known as endoparasitic slime mold, they are obligate parasites, grow on algae, aquatic fungi and higher plants, commonly in roots of higher plants. Plasmodia are of two types in their life cycle: sporangious plasmodium and cytogenous plasmodium. Disease caused by plasmodiophotomycetes. They affect the root of grasses and cereals, and they cause powdery scab on potato plant. You can see here in diagram how this kind of species affect the root of plants. Life cycle of plasmodial slime mold. You can see here mature plasmodium. It forms sporangia. Sporangia have spores. Then spores will germinate and form two bodies, means two gametophytic bodies, male and female gamete. Fertilization occur and young plasmodium will be formed after fertilization. Economic importance of Myxomycota. The myxomycetes are of relatively little economic importance, but they have been subject of intensive laboratory studies. They contribute to the carbon and nitrogen cycles by using various organic molecules or organic matters including bacteria as food. They provide large amount of protoplasm free from cell wall, which has been used as an ideal medium to solve variety of fundamental problems of biochemistry, of biochemist, biophysicist, mycologist, and even the geneticist. Thanks to visit our channel. Good luck to all of you. Allah Hafiz.